Hello. Hi. Let's talk real quickly about something that's important to a lot of people. A lot of people, for whatever medical reason or condition, and there's several of them, that cannot eat seeds. Oh, if you can't eat seeds, I tell you what, there's a lot of plants out there you're going to do without, unless you take the time to go ahead and clean them. I'm going to talk about one particular thing, actually two. The jalapeno peppers and the Anaheim chilies. Now, the Anaheim chilies, of course, you roast them, you peel them, and then you clean the seeds out of them. You can simply grab them, as we've shown you in our other videos. You can take the bulk of the seeds out, split it down, and then just go like that and take out all the seeds. If you're really sensitive to seeds, sometimes you got to turn on the cold water underneath the faucet. Obviously, put this underneath the faucet and just gently and quickly rinse off the other seeds. Put this over, drain it in a rack, and then put it back on some paper towels to go ahead and absorb most of the moisture. And then you can sprinkle garlic on it. There's only one drawback to this procedure right here. If you put it underneath the water for any length of time, other than a few seconds, say 4 or 5 seconds, you're going to wash away some of the nutrients. And the whole idea of eating this chili, number one, it tastes good, but also too is because the antioxidants and the nutrients that are in the chili, vitamin C and on and on and on, all the other ones. Now, so you have to do that quickly. But it's kind of like a good trade-off, because if you don't get the seeds, you don't get sick. Now, this is, again, just for the people that cannot eat seeds because whatever's wrong with them. I don't want to go into any details right now because that will ruin your appetite. But anyway, you can still have a good nutritious food right here. Pepper, Anaheim peppers, chili I should say, and you just take garlic then. Garlic is a savior when it comes to pain and suffering and heat. It will prevent your stomach from getting upset, usually, unless you overindulge and overeat. So you just take your chili, once everything's like this, and you just sprinkle garlic on it. Put some garlic on it like I'm doing here. Okay. Let that soak in a little bit. Depends. You want more garlic, put it on there. You want less garlic. The thing about it is garlic will save your stomach. Alright. Then from here, just go ahead and put that together. Put it in a plastic bag. Freeze it. Obviously, you go ahead and put the date on it that you've done all this to. That way you know how fresh it is. And you can freeze it or just put it in the refrigerator. Eat it throughout the week. I hope you enjoy this tip, and I hope it helps those people that cannot eat seeds. Thanks for watching.